Hello, Otumfour. So yes, Asantehene. Best also what was so ebefeme na wa share video yi akosi awie. Me fancy history kakra bia me pese ye de bana yetimi ni sua de na yetimi kaka ye ho ba bia ye free ye ba. Me so be Asantehene te say wa na me pese ye sua de together. As you can see from this image, you know, Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh how to subienu one Oma ekano na omo the image ni mu as you can see, you know. Now we na omo free baby na neighbor no mo free sorry dem na neighbor St. Cyprian Anglican Church ewo Kumasi Edum the same sorry no na ya na opimso Osei tu otako ho no say anytime be me van say o di birthday and say or your special program be na o sorry akwa sa sorry no na ya na otai kono na sai image ya ohui Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh otosubienu na ofri asore dem oba no enti na ofri asore dem oba after the TI when you say Asante there were two major historical like events see Asante Kingdom your history book. There may be many things but I want to talk about these two: the formation of the kingdom and the restoration of the kingdom. The formation, you know, ebra Otumfour say to odikan na ode okonfanoche enomni ade omukika omuhubo omu eko kodi enya fahudie ede ma asanteman omudwede nchirima ho se yebeko kodi na yama nchirima enya fahudie rather than say ye de yebema nkwandewa ayeyede na aduane ayeyede enchiri ne beko ayeyede na nchirima beko nkwasumudie ede yanku kodi ne na nchirima enya enya fahudie. I will say another time make a video about that ye kuama nchirima ede Asantehene fu bebrebe omo Asantehene enye nchirima eho ene hi omo nko ma nchirima enu tina ye say ye so ye ton sase ye budua ye say friends kwaye okay because ye dwire nchirima ho ede ohiri bi dienti obeje die ewu editi ehia no but me can edo wasem another time make a video about that say ye dwire nchirima ho Osei to odikan as we know no ode de nkrofo konkode say ye je fahudie ede ama nchirima ye pese nchirima beko amanie anase enkwasumu na eno no ye the formation of the kingdom na ye nyina edim oyona eto ye ebra the British Empire wanted to dominate the whole world omo ba Ghana omo pese omo bedi the then Gold Coast so omo ne yaku bebre. We all know that history na omo ba Asante say omo ba Asante ebuhwete Asante ceased to be a kingdom. Na side we esi wo Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh otosubienu pen so Agyeman Prempeh odikan no na ye che call the Seychelles Island no enti we no ye did see ye probably he was a teenager and as be in his early 20s and omo did see ye enti odo no amanie kase pa na ye dai eto no e woni breso na onyame nchaade after the abrofuru ma ho kwan say Asante Kingdom we can come back together and form ourselves together. Now on January 31st 1935 the Asante Kingdom no and I said the Confederacy no Osei restore ye and nothing I'm say you were major like two major events obrodi beka say watershed moments ye kingdom ni mu the formation of the kingdom and the restoration of the kingdom. The formation of the kingdom no the na esidina so Otumfour Osei odikan oni okonfanoche na omo forbi na the restoration also there ohina na esiri na so Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh otosubienu na ono no there wa beto okonfanoche there odi forbi Jesus Christ na be ba bi chechire mu die ntia me ka se Jesus Christ no adenti na ofri asore de boba okokoda anyame ase se onyame ama asanteman etimi restore back eti Asantehene restoration no January 31st 1935 enti okwa asore dem se okwakoda onyame ase okọ February 3rd 1935 eti abosomi ba kuntem okwa asore a odi aseda ekoma onyankopon no na se wa bompaya anchire nyame se nyame boa no na ultimi restore the kingdom na adena ka obekọ edi aseda akwa no. I want you to think say obi eko bi fanse bosum so na odi aseda akoma bosum na kire se odi kan de na desrade ekoto bosum na nim na bosum na ya ma no enuti odana seda akoma no. Ohire Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh otoso bienu yenti okwa sorry se ode na seda ode nyame aseda Jesus Christ aseda e kwa koma no edi se obompa ye kire Awurade se Awurade boa me na mahidi a atitia pansam asai na like edida so nyina asano boa me na intimi ensan and restore back the nyame so etie the Bible Jesus Christ etie ohene Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh Bible ema ahidi no ensan and restore back eno se de sade a me fa wase dani meko na me de wase da akwa koma eno ti no okọ asori ede onyame aseda ekoma no owieye na one de krofo etwa picture ewo ho a eye na kama yi me de mo kase be Asantehene me fra me ho Kristo kotoko no etre se Asantehene a oye Kristo ni a oji Jesus Christ edi ohene Agyeman Prempeh sada na otie na oye Kristo kotoko na oye Asantehene a osanso ye o Kristo ni wanfa seda ankoma Musumbi wanfa seda ankoma Freemason wanfa seda ankoma Islam wanfa seda ankoma any religion the odia seda ekoma no eye Jesus Christ okwa sorry edu tebe say Asanteman ye history no mu edeba bienu a eye so cardinal okay and I say so pivotal no the formation and the restoration formation no eye Osei tutu odikan odi Confederacy afi de obrodi ede de tumi ebobo odi nyina agui na hoina etimi ma no say restore ye Agyeman Prempeh otoso bienu odi Jesus Christ bienu and restore Asanteman me can we ede ababa be so say Asanteman there is Christianity okay embedded in our kingdom. Christianity is embedded in our kingdom as a people. Whether you like it or not, that is the truth. Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh say enye nyame no bompa ye kire no ede nyame tie de Bible a ade nka okoy say odi aseda ekwa akoma nyame a ofra so de mo ba watcha sa picture we a eda hoyi okay eye na February 3rd 1935 the wa bompa ye anchire Jesus Christ say owura Yesu wona osoro ahidie nyina eye wodia na asase so ahemfo nyina so hye wonsa boa me na mahidie a atitia pansam no entibigeye na odise Jesus Christ nsa enei enamafobia ba obude ese yesua de obude opeso bche obude bidjan satara so they don't want to have anything to do with Christianity the obo Christo krampo kire na ebibobo eyefu. I know say there are some bad pastors. I know the same way there are some bad policemen, there are some bad teachers, there are some bad politicians, there are some bad doctors. In every profession you will find fake people among them. That doesn't mean say Christianity itself is wrong, because the head of Christianity is Jesus Christ. It is a wo and the abrantie ababawa waba can be kakra when your Facebook account, when your TikTok account, what make kai it be Google kakra. Osei we should throw away Christianity. Agyeman Prempeh the free aso demo ba or Jesus Christ ayi e command no say Awurade timi aboama Asante Kingdom no etimi restore. It is a wo abrantie ababawa na mpaboye ba kope. And I say when your car ba could be the mountain no Osei you don't have anything to do with Christianity. That is up to you. Me yes video we say ye de kaka ye ho Asantehene say moma ye huru say our kingdom restoration the formation no de Jesus Christ and then ewo ho na ye Osei tutu a odikan ene Confederacy but the restoration no okay there's a yan restore Asanteman so a we wouldn't have Asante Kingdom today. Neka by now no neka oman hidi bia dane mai neka there would not be any Otumfour neka there would not be any Asante Kingdom. Asante was reformed and as Asante came together again under the leadership of Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh, because Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh prayed to Jesus Christ and asked Jesus Christ to help him restore the kingdom, and then say he will come and give thanks to God, and then he went to church after the kingdom was restored. And say you don't have anything to do with Christianity. The obi edidi Jesus Christ atem obi cancel modi bi efa before the Christianity who and you are happy. Oh, let's go back to nananom. Oh, let's go back to nananom. When we just say Nana Agyeman Prempeh otosubiru, are you wiser than him? I'm saying this to any fellow Asante. Me, like I said, I call myself Kristo Kotoko. Me yana Kotokonia, me sansuye Kristo ni. And uti me frem who Kristo Kotoko. Now, I rehearse somebody say, Adia esi ye ewo sa Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh otosubiru the life would say. Odi ba bekọ ewie no, afi de okojoani Freemason. He said ye esi wo enipa bia life mo no. ye nyina no ye start kama we are firebrand, we love Jesus Christ, we draw close to Jesus Christ, but ye nyina no na ye mudu do na yakuma free erade ho eti along the line no Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh he became a Freemason ena ato so a ene Otumfour a owo ho sesi e Otumfour Osei a otoso bienu yi ono so akọjoin the Freemason no na bisua we no eye adesua de ma bi se sabere a be abrantie Benjiri kakra de but benjiri I will still consider myself as a youth. Me do Jesus Christ. Me de saa de be kwa wie ya na. Me ko so ado Jesus Christ e de akwa wie ya na. So here Otumfour a owo ho sese ya. O de opa go and look for his old videos. Na anytime bia obetena ejom ade ade no. Na oka eputo ho asema. Na etoda otibika se yesi sorry dan. There is a video bi I was searching for that video. I couldn't find it. Na oka the things Asante Asantehene and I said the visions and the aspirations are as I said Asantehene di bienya Asantehene puto sorry okasa do obo sorry dan sorry edeya otena akojana so kakra a friend say like as he is growing on the stool no edey on time bo a friend say sorry dan kura ehun asem like he doesn't mention it as he used to. He doesn't because ojiri and also the work of Johnny Freemason and Ogusa and nobody identity along the line I am not judging but along the line it is very possible say nakuma a bit me a free on Yamaho kakra ebia nakuma no what dear but the mudu no a free hoko it is a lesson for us say a day and a o Christonia o Jesus Christ. Are you going to remain a Christian until you die? Are you going to hold onto Jesus Christ until you die? That is my dream. It is my desire. Say I will continue to be a Christian till I die. Not only that, but I will teach the people around me. I will make sure that, like Joshua said, as for me and my house, my children, my wife, my family, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord until we die. Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh, ebeko like along the line, he joined Freemason. It is not idea na a good. So this is something that we all have to learn. Remember, say Asante, we have two cardinal points in our history: the formation and the restoration. The formation and the restoration. Formation no dey okonfanoche edi Osei ena but restoration no dey Agyeman Prempeh otosubienu oni Jesus Christ ena There's a day in the next 100 years time will there be Asantehene? In the next 100 years time will Asantehene continue to exist? Say Jesus Christ enyamaya Asantehene bekosoa aya Asantehene na ene bebuna eba yemfanya besumu nyahwe. They don't want to have anything to do with Christianity. They think that Christianity is a scam. Obufi say abrofo de ebe dada ye. We think we are wiser than our ancestors sometimes. That is what some of us we think. That is what abaye bi abebu bi what taught me for the credit kakrebi and they good fool so and I say what to call kakrebi and I say like I don't know. We think we are wiser than our ancestors, but I am going to say everything beyond we are willing to accept. The only thing about the Western world that you say they say we don't want Christianity, as if Jesus Christ was a white man. Jesus was not a white man. Jesus was born in the Middle East. Okay, Jesus Christ, he was born in the Middle East. Yesu na onye a friend of Bruni Fita. Sena the scale no edge to Tumkura. He wasn't a white man. Nobody who wrote the Bible is a white man. Okay, and yet we say abrofode Christianity abedisibi. And so nobody TikTok by idea yaje. Nobody Facebook by yaje. Nobody YouTube by yaje. Nobody electricity by yaje. Nobody education by how to read and write yaje. Nobody a friend say air condition by yaje. Nobody TV by yaje. Nobody car papa by yaje. Nobody a friend say paved road a choir. Me friend say nobody timid quota a guswo because our ancestors didn't have quota on their roads. They didn't have paved roads. Nobody ado by the yaje. Adie bia nobody by bia no yaje to the point say ene nobody me friend say homosexuality crampo ba ebibu pese oboje ebibu ejejejina but ebibu pese oboje homosexuality no ebibu pese oboje tu bibia abrofo de ba ebia no yaje abere ade ba ko pede yese yempe ede na Christianity obroni di aeroplane eba ye no sawo say sawo ji broni dia adena otimi ye ewiemhyai boxer so kwotene a wobetime wu okay adena no de yetimi gidie ewom etimi koforo say emfa yetu fa wiem broni di eno ba ye de yaje broni di shape ba ye yaje bibia broni di ba ye bia yaje fon a ekuta osisi ye broni e de ba ye to be able to make call say wo Ghana na wo ye call e de akọ abrochire ni ade no okay satellites abrofo e de akosi se wiem enu ti na e ba yetimi ye call so no eti so ye call Ghana call no e be call satellite no mu e wo wiem ansa na transfer akọ obi kro na wo ye call no e de amano no ni nyina yaje ni nyina except Christianity adetia because I don't know ebeboye koko ebe ka kire se yegya ye body die na yenso so ye pay body ebe ka kire se yegya abosobosom eno so de yegya ebe ka kire se yegya ye body ye eno so de ye pese ebegya eno ti no ye be ka se kristosom de enye TikTok eba ye hwede eba ya de emema no aye wo TikTok so na ye tweke ebi mo krampo they bring their naked bodies okay on TikTok ni nyina yaje ade bia abrofo de ba bia no yaje obudi ku papa ba yaje obudi we ba yaje bibia wig obudi wig breye de yaje bibia obrodi de ba yaje the only thing I see yempe the Christianity adentia because I don't know ebebo echi ebe kan ebo de de kire but I do de yesi yempe I don't know so Asantehene me so be Asantehene say wa I live in Canada there but I am an Asante like you na me say video we say hwe na yemfa kaka ye hu say ye nananom na obudim yabe they didn't know the Bible they didn't know Christianity etino there na obudim na obuye ye no but edru Otumfour Agyeman Prempeh out of Subido time so there he was a Christian Otumfour we say na me penance but in some way no wa promote to Freemason dey abosomsom like a kwebe so I really feel bad sometimes when I think of him. Or starting, like he was sharing the visions and then the aspirations. The busi, I saw dying. Somebody say like Okasa. Now to say Unyami won't be like not just Nyami, but the God of the Christians. You see, people say God. Which God? Is it the God of the Christians or the God of the Muslims or the God of what? Because we don't have the same God. Okay, maybe Nyami maybe someone. I just said Nyami no ena Confederacy esomono because the Confederacy can say ye konto kwa na ye dey for kwa kokono or can say ye sacrifice the life of human beings. We were like always sacrificing human beings, always like almost all the time sacrificing human beings. What God is that? The God of Jesus Christ never told anybody. He only gave Jesus Christ. After Jesus Christ there is no more sacrifice. So for 2000 years now there is no more blood sacrifice. Asantehene about 600 years ago 80 before the Jesus Christ by about 1400 years echi ansana Osei a odikan ene Okumfanochi eba. It is if there is no need for blood sacrifice for about 1400 years na Asantehene and that's Asante Kingdom FOB 600 years echi na ye sacrifice apart from eboano ye sacrifice human beings today. Let me tell you something. The entire some of the kids omuntimi and sacrificing human beings. They say and they say police will get them arrested. That is why in the olden days they were not sacrificing goats and sheep and cow. No, it was all human beings. And the almost sacrificing cows is because when they sacrifice human beings they will be arrested. Not because the gods don't want human beings. The gods will be happy if they sacrifice human beings. They will be very happy. But the reason why they can't do it today is because if they do it, they'll be arrested by the police. Now, be a Christian, be a Kotokodi, be a Asantehene, be a Christian. It be a video way, and a Akaka, ye say. Then the why do they say, in the next 100 years, say, you're to Jesus Christ, actually, or no, or boy, am I a reform the Asante Kingdom? So I say, another generation has come. We don't want anything to do with Jesus Christ and Christianity. Not just God, but the God of the Bible, the God of the Christians. Yes, say we don't want to have anything to do with a friend say Jesus Christ and Christianity. Let us see what is going to happen to the kingdom in the next 100 years time. Let us see. A word to the wise is enough. So if today is your first time visiting this channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment, and spread the love. Share the video. Now among for so intimi. Pass this on, okay? Show some of these videos to your friend. Already was saying, let's go for nananom. Let us do away with Christianity. Show them some of these videos. ABA, it will be able to help them to change their minds. Thank you very much. Bye. Wo fatase, wo chi to me.